How you doing and welcome to the channel. Here's a quick little tutorial of something I discovered. See that latch has a piece for a screw, a opening for a screw. Well, the other boxes from the 1.0 Tough system actually have a screw holding that in, or this latch is mounted right here with screws. This one doesn't have at the bottom. Okay. What I found is you can use a screw and a washer. As the washer, you can use a little screw. Well, the hole, you put the washer in, and you just turn it. And to finish off this quick little video, to show you, I didn't have it before like I said. It keeps the latch from coming out. See? It's done. So this is a ds450 DeWalt Tough System 1.0 box. It came damaged from whatever, but I'm sure I can knock that back into shape. I already have another one, so this is my second one. The other one has stickers on it.